Since the release of OpenClaw, new agents have been created almost every week, making it nearly impossible to try them all. But one new agent has caught the attention of many people, including myself. It only has 6,000 stars on GitHub compared to 307,000 stars for OpenClaw at the time of writing. However, unlike most other agents, it doesn't compete on memory usage, but focuses on performance. That's why it might be the only real competitor to OpenClaw in this space. In March 2026, a new star emerged in the world of AI agents, Hermes Agent, developed by Nous Research. It is an open-source agent framework that fundamentally solves this AI amnesia. You might be thinking, another new chatbot? No. This is a learning AI agent. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. The agent can transform what it learns into reusable skills, improve them through experience, store useful information, and even search for previous conversations. This allows it to understand better how you interact in different conversations. The agent supports multiple platforms, including Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and CLI through a unified gateway, and is compatible with over 200 model endpoints such as OpenRouter, News Portal, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Deployment is extremely flexible, from $5 VPS to GPU clusters, and even serverless architectures with virtually no idle resources. Hermes' greatest weapon is its skill learning automation. It gets smarter the more you use it. For instance, if you ask Hermes to deploy a service using Docker, it will execute the task and automatically save the steps as a skill. The next time a similar task comes up, Hermes will perform it faster and more accurately, building on its previous experience. Skills also improve on their own. If during execution you notice that a part of a previous skill is outdated, Hermes can correct it itself. OpenClaw, in contrast, lacks this mechanism. Its skills must be written and maintained by humans, whereas Hermes is written, fixed, and improved by itself. Another standout feature is Hermes' 3-layer memory structure, making it an AI that never forgets. Unlike many AI that lose all memory once a conversation ends, Hermes keeps track through memory.markdown, a personal memo written by the agent that records your environment, projects, and preferences. User.markdown, which stores your profile including name, time zone, and communication style. And session search, which saves all past conversations to SQLite so you can search discussions from weeks ago. Ask, do you remember last week's discussion about Nginx configuration? And Hermes will search the past sessions and respond accurately, a capability few other agents have. Finally, Hermes offers seamless communication from anywhere with 12-channel support, including Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and Signal. The same agent, carrying the same memory, responds across all platforms. Instructions can be sent via Telegram in the morning and progress checked via Discord at night, making interaction completely smooth and unified. Hermes Agent's memory isn't simply for history storage. Memory has a 3-layered structure: short-term memory, long-term memory, and skill memory, each with a different role. Short-term memory is the most recent conversational context. Long-term memory is the user's preferences and patterns. Skill memory is reusable skills automatically generated from experience. This skill memory feature is incredibly interesting. For example, if you complete the task, create a progress report every Monday several times, Hermes Agent will internally save that task as a skill. From then on, it will output the report more efficiently and in a format that suits the user's preferences. The more you use it, the more it becomes customized to your specific needs. That's the essence of self-improvement. Another strength is the wide range of locations where it can operate. You can access it from your favorite platform. Plus, memory is shared across platforms, so you can talk to the same AI that knows you, whether you're on Discord or Slack. I tried it with the CLI, but running it as a Telegram bot might be the most practical approach. You can quickly talk to it from your smartphone and get a response that understands the context. From here, we will explain the steps to actually set up the Hermes agent and run the AI agent. Hermes offers WSL for Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, just like OpenClaw. The best approach is to set it up on a VPS or spare computer, but for this demo, we're running it locally on a Mac, and it works just fine. You can install the Hermes agent with a single command. It will create a virtual environment for you, containing all the Python and Node.js dependencies you need. This is the first screen you see, the setup wizard, showing a simple 5-step roadmap. First, you choose your model and provider, then set the terminal backend, adjust agent settings, and connect messaging platforms like Telegram or Discord so you can chat with your agent from your phone. Finally, you add tools like web search or image generation, and once you're ready, just hit enter and go through each step. Right away, it detects that we already have OpenClaw installed on this machine, the previous agent tool from Nous Research that Hermes builds on as the next version. It finds all the data in OpenClaw and offers to migrate everything, your settings, memories, skills, and API keys in one shot, which saves a lot of time if you're coming from OpenClaw. In our case, we start fresh and type N to skip, but if you're an existing user, just hit Y, and even if you skip now, you can always run the migration later using the OpenClaw migration skill. Now we're picking our inference provider. This is the AI model that powers everything. You've got a lot of options, but since we're going fully local with no API keys or cloud costs, we scroll down and pick custom OpenAI compatible endpoint, which works with anything that follows the OpenAI API format. And Ollama fits perfectly, so that's our choice. So here we're configuring our Ollama endpoint, which is the local server Ollama runs on your machine using port 11434. We leave the API key blank since everything is running locally with no authentication, then set the model to GPT Microsoft's 20B parameter model we already pulled into Ollama and leave the context length empty so Hermes can auto-detect it. For the terminal backend, we keep it local so commands run pram on your machine, simple and no extra setup. Then in agent settings, we set max iterations to 60 so the agent can make up to 60 tool calls per task. You can raise it for longer jobs. Turn tool progress display to all so you can see everything it's doing in real time, and leave context compression at 0.5 so it summarizes older messages when you hit half the memory limit. Finally, for session reset policy in Hermes, it can auto-reset conversations when they get too long or inactive, but it saves important info first, and you can always type /reset yourself anytime. For the session reset, we go with the recommended setup, inactivity plus a daily reset whichever comes first. We keep the defaults, 1440 minutes of inactivity and a reset at 4 a.m., which keeps things clean without you having to think about it. For messaging platforms, we skip everything for now: Telegram, Discord, Slack, Matrix, WhatsApp, all set to no, since we can always come back later and connect them using Hermes when we want to chat from our phone. Then we hit Tools Configuration, where the agent really comes to life. Web search, browser control, terminal access, file handling, code execution, vision, memory, and more are already enabled by default. We only leave off mixture of agents, RL training, and Home Assistant since they need extra setup, and everything else stays on so we're ready to go. For browser automation, we choose Local Browser, a free headless Chromium that runs on your machine with no setup. For text-to-speech, we keep the default Microsoft Edge TTS since it's free and already works. And for web search, we skip paid options because Hermes already has built-in DuckDuckGo search. And that's it. Installation complete. I type Hermes to launch it, and the dashboard shows all our tools and skills ready to go, but the status bar says Claude instead of our local model. That's because Hermes defaults to Claude even if we set up Ollama during setup. No problem. We fix it fast. We exit and run Hermes model, then pick our saved local endpoint, set the model to GPT, and confirm the same URL with no API key. Now, when we launch Hermes again, the status bar shows GPT, which means everything is running locally on our machine, no cloud and no API costs. And that's it, installation complete. Now, when we launch Hermes again, the status bar shows GPT, which means everything is running locally on our machine, no cloud and no API costs. Now that we're fully set up on Ollama, let's test it. We type a simple message like, "Hey, how are you doing today?" And the agent responds instantly with a normal greeting. The status bar shows GPT, confirming our local model is replying, not a cloud service, and it shows 9.23 thousand of 131,000 tokens used, so we have a huge context window. And the response came back in just about 2 seconds. all running on our own hardware. To be honest, since it's v0.2.0, there are still some rough edges. Memory accuracy isn't perfect, and skill generation sometimes goes in unintended directions. But this approach itself is incredibly valuable. Many of the frustrations we feel with AI tools today stem from a disconnection of context. Every time we start a new conversation, we have to explain everything from scratch: the project background, our preferences, and the team rules. We have to explain it all every single time. Hermes Agent addresses this issue head on. Moreover, it's open source and the data is in your hands. From a privacy standpoint, it offers peace of mind. I believe the next phase of AI assistance is memory. Hermes Agent is one of the leading projects in this area. I'm looking forward to future updates.